and now we are going to code in bubble sort in same way in Python also. Program I will give, it is bubble sort dot py. I will take lst, that is list array, that is list, and we have to take an input. So let me code this line, then I will briefly explain you. So I am using here expression for the list. In this line, input, for the input it is being done when we will take an input like 2, 3, 1, 4 and 5, that all will be considered as a string. Whole line will be considered as a string, and that I am in the same Java program as like Java program, I am splitting it with the space. Like here is given space, here is given space, so each element will be splitted with the respect of space. And for each element, what I am doing, I am typecasting here, because each element will be considered as a string, so that will be converted into int, and all element will be stored in the list variable. Now we have the list of integer list of elements, integer element of the list. So we will pass this list in the method or function, and that will be, this method will be sort our list array, and that will be return the sorted array, then we will print it. So last we will take second array, and that will be sorted array will be hold, and here will be method get sorted. This lst is the unsorted array, and from this method that will be return sorted array, that will be stored in lst2, that is list2, second list, and after that we will print it as a sorted array. For each element in 2, we will try to print all the element on the same line. For that we have to take int as with the space. Let's implement the get sorted method. That is having st. This is our first array. For the steps, for the length minus 1, that is second last position, for the comparison of the array at the second last element. Same as Java code. For each sorted element from the int, we will decrease the size of the array. For that we are doing -i. Now sorting will in swapping in Python is very easy. That I will show you how to swap in Python in a single line. After that we have to return the sorted array. Now code looks perfect. Let's try to execute. I have taken name for that is only bubble. Before that we have to write Python, and I have installed Python 3 on my machine, so I will write Python 3, then program name, that is bubble.py. Problem. Okay, there is no problem now. Let's take elements. Let's separate some element. Now enter. We got a wrong answer, so the problem is maybe in the swapping. So okay, I found out. Here should be J, here should be J, and J. Now it looks good. Let's try again. We will take same array 1 4 3 6 2 5 8 6 and 7. Now perfect. Now it is sorted. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 and 8. 6 is 2 times there and there. So now our program is perfect. So you can see our Java code, that is how much lines of code is we have to write, and for in Python, for this bubble sort, how much code I have wrote. So decide which language you have well good, and try to code on the same language. But Python is much shorter than Java and other language. So if you know the Python, let's code in Python. If you don't know, it is not much big thing. I will come with Python series, so you will learn, you can learn very easy way from bottom to the top. So I will teach you in a basic level, that is core Python. Then after that I will teach you on advanced level, that is advanced Python. Then after that I will teach you for the backend side coding, like Python in Python CJ script that will be used for database purposes, to store data, retrieve data, and for the access of the data with the MySQL database. And after that I will teach you Django also framework. So be with me for from the start to the beginning, and from my side all material will be free. So your job is that to support me. So please like my videos, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, Bootstrap, C language, Java and Python, if you like my video, then like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.